What's going on, guys? So today we got these smart outdoor lights. Let's go ahead and open them. So we got one right here. They come in 1 pack, 2 packs. The material is aluminum, as well as they're double-sided. They're color changing as well. They come with a controller, and it's a very modern feel for the house. We got the other side, same concept. Okay, and then right here we also have the remote control, so you can change the lights, you can dim them, brighten them. Another great thing about this, it also comes with all the hardware that you might need to install them. Let's go ahead and go outside and let's go ahead and install them. So the installation is pretty simple. You just got to install the bracket. It also comes pre-wired. It has the green and yellow. It's the ground. You have the black with black and the white with white as well. Perfect. It's all installed. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. All right, in here you're going to install the bracket, the green and yellow wired to the ground, and then you're going to install the black to the black and the white to the white. We're just going to push these in, that way they don't look out. You put the little nuts here inside the screws in order to lock this in place. Okay, so we're done installing. Now we just wait for nighttime to hit. That way you guys can see the full effect of these lights. So it finally hit nightfall. We have different warmths of the color, as well as you can also change to different colors. You can just leave it white, make it a little bit brighter. The yellow lights. Here you can shift how you want the warmness or the coolness of the light. And as well, like I mentioned, the color lights. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review and the specs of the light. We'll see you guys in the next video.